It's a pleasure to have you here. Meet the Audient EVO 16 USB audio interface, a truly versatile and professional-grade device designed for musicians, podcasters, and producers who demand the highest quality sound in their recordings. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this USB audio interface at the best price in the market. This interface comes with 8 EVO mic preamps that provide crystal clear audio with extremely low noise, giving your vocals and instruments the depth and clarity you need for professional results. On top of that, it features 2 JFET instrument inputs, perfect for guitars or bass, and 2 optical inputs to easily connect other digital equipment. The interface also has 2 independent headphone outputs so that multiple people can monitor recordings at the same time without any latency issues, and it offers 8 line outputs plus 2 optical outputs for seamless studio integration. One of the standout features is the multi-channel Smartgain system, which automatically sets the perfect recording levels so you never have to worry about clipping or distortion. Controlling all this is the EVO Motion UI, a high-resolution LCD screen with a single knob centralized control, making navigation smooth and intuitive while showing input-output levels and channel status clearly. There's also a programmable function button that lets you assign your most used features for quick access, saving you time during sessions. The software mixer provides ultra-low latency, which is essential for live monitoring, overdubs, and multi-track recording, making it feel like you're playing directly into your DAW without any noticeable lag. While the interface packs a lot of features, it's important to note that advanced setups may require some initial familiarization with the Motion UI to fully utilize every function, but once you get the hang of it, workflow becomes incredibly smooth. Overall, the Audient EVO 16 delivers professional studio-quality audio, flexible routing, and smart automation in a compact, user-friendly design. Don't miss the chance to elevate your recordings and make your production experience more enjoyable. Click the link in the description below to grab your Audient EVO 16 USB audio interface and start creating amazing music today.